This is an video of an intermediate / advanced balisong trick, combo, whatever you want to call it. This is what it would look like whenever you get it mastered, like, you know, because I'm a master, so I got this. And they catch like that. This is what you do. You just go forwards, you twist it, and you kind of fling it back at the same time. Do it again, and then go forward like that, so you catch it closed. And then go forwards, middle finger over, bring it forwards, ring finger, remove index, go forwards, put index finger, get rid of ring finger, go forwards again, put your middle finger over, and do that. Then go fling it back, over finger, so then you just do that. Get rid of everything off the right handle and hold the safe handle. Close like that, or do the same thing in the beginning and just close it. And then go forwards, middle finger over, go back, put your thumb there, forwards, and just toss it up and catch it like that. This is again how it looked like when fully completed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.